This video is for informational and educational purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on, SBA family? It's your man Stock Brother, and I'm back with another one. Picture a computer chip the size of a dinner plate. Now picture that chip going up against the most valuable company on the planet. That is exactly what is happening in the AI hardware world right now. A 10-year-old startup just went public in one of the largest tech IPOs in history, and in its very first quarter as a public company, it posted revenue growth of 94%. Every single analyst covering the stock rates at a strong buy, and people are saying that this is possibly the next Nvidia. We're going to be doing a quick review of the company and discuss why you should consider putting this stock on your radar. Consider joining the Discord for real-time alerts of all my hot stock picks. It's an affordable service that's easy on your pockets. By joining the family, you will be amongst motivated, like-minded individuals making money in the stock market. The link is in the description below. Let's get that paper!
AI infrastructure company Cerebras Systems announcing the completion of new Series G funding round. They raised $1.1 billion. They have now an $8.1 billion post-money valuation. Cerebras Systems founder and CEO Andrew Feldman joins us. It's a first on CNBC. Good to have you, Andrew.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. You pitch yourself as a more efficient alternative to NVIDIA. That sounds quite promising, but what does that mean and what evidence do you have to support that contention?
Well, first, we are a more efficient alternative. We run it about 20 times faster than NVIDIA GPUs. I think all benchmarks across the industry have shown that. And so we're excited. Speed is an extremely important part of making AI accessible and making it interesting and valuable for users.
Are your units far larger than were typical, that are typical? I'm just trying to understand sort of what it is that you have in terms of the technology and why it is, as you say, faster than what at least NVIDIA is obviously dominating the market with right now.
Oh, for sure. And today they're the leader and we're the challenger. What we were able to do is to invent a new methodology for making chips. This is our chip. It's the size of a dinner plate. And most chips today are the size of postage stamps. And by making a larger chip, we were able to hold more information on silicon. We were able to process that information more quickly and deliver answers in less time and for less power. We have a shot of being one of the fastest growing companies in the history of semiconductors, right? And so a shot at achieving $1 billion in revenue faster than any other company in history. And so this is an extraordinarily exciting market, as you described earlier in your piece. The number of big deals being done, the yawning demand for AI is lifting all of us. And particularly right now in inference, where performance matters, it's a good time to be in the AI infrastructure business.
Cerebras Systems, ticker symbol CBRS on the NASDAQ, was founded in 2015 by a group of engineers led by Andrew Feldman, co-founder and chief executive officer. Feldman previously built and sold C-Micro to AMD, and before that helped take Riverstone Networks public. He teamed up with Gary Lauterbach, Michael James, Sean Lee, and Jean-Philippe Fricker, all former colleagues, to solve one problem. Splitting an AI workload across thousands of tiny chips is slow because those chips waste time constantly talking to each other. So instead of building more small chips, Cerebras built one giant one. Their flagship product, the wafer scale engine, is physically 58 times larger than a leading competing chip, packing 900,000 compute cores onto a single piece of silicon. Before we continue with the video, please take this time to smash that like button. Help your man out with getting this video seen by more people on YouTube. As always, thank you for the love and appreciation, family. As of this recording, 10 Wall Street analysts cover Cerebras, and every single one rates it a strong buy, 0 holds, 0 sells. The average 12-month price target sits at $296.44, roughly 61% upside from recent levels. The high estimate is $340, and even the most conservative target is $273. Every analyst agrees that the direction of this stock is up from here. In its first quarter earnings, Cerebras posted GAAP revenue of $193 million, up 94% year over year. The headlines were massive: a multi-year deal with OpenAI worth more than $20 billion, tied to deploying 750 megawatts of high-speed inference compute, plus a new partnership with Amazon Web Services, and $6.4 billion raised through the IPO itself. Second, Cerebras expanded its manufacturing partnership with Flex to scale production of its CS3 system out of Milpitas, California, expected to increase production capacity roughly 7 times through 2026. It shows the company building supply chain resilience right here in America. Third, on July 9th, Cerebras announced plans to bring its first European data center capacity online by the end of 2026, scaling across France and the Nordic region toward 200 megawatts of capacity by the end of 2027, with some of that supporting OpenAI workloads directly. And finally, the comparison everyone keeps making: NVIDIA versus Cerebras. NVIDIA is the established giant dominating the GPU market for decades. Cerebras is the young challenger betting that wafer scale technology wins a meaningful slice of the inference market as AI shifts from training massive models to actually running them for millions of users every day. One recent piece framed it as the market leader versus the young challenger, noting that the pullback in Cerebras shares from their first day highs could be a buying opportunity for investors with a higher risk tolerance. If this breakdown helped you understand Cerebras a little better, drop a like, subscribe for more research like this, and I will see you guys in the Stock Brother Discord, where we've been crushing it with our hot stock plays. That's all that I have for today, family. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help your man out by smashing that like button. It really helps the video get seen by more people on YouTube. I'll see you all in the Stock Brother Discord. The link for that is down below. So until next time, let's get that paper!